welcome back. Welcome back! So, naabot na siya. Ako ang gi-order. Naabot na siya, guys. Let's open this. So, hinintay ko pala siya ng ilang mga ano siguro 1 week. Hindi ba ang tagal? So, I ordered this here in Black App. Yes. Try lang na ako siya. Oh God. Ang cute ng packaging. Ano ba? Mayaya. So, automatic power cord, 10-second rapid heating time, shutdown 1 hour, intelligent temperature regulation. So, let's unbox this, guys. Okay. Ano ni siya? 3-in-1 na curler. And, nakuy curler, but kanang gamay siya, so I need new one. And, oh, what's this? This one first. Oh, a clip. So, naas like na clip. Ganyan, guys. Oh, diba? So, para easy lang. I don't know. Pinky. Then next. Ah, cute. Diba? Cute. Cute. Pink. Cute, guys. So, mo yung automatic siya ba? Mag-curler, guys. This is the second. Let's put it back. And then, nasa'y suklay. Straightening hair. Pang straight. And this one, parehas lang sila. And I don't know what is the differences for both. Pero same lang sila. And, yes. Let's find out, guys. Let's find out. So, mga lang to siya ang sumunod. Ano yung mga cards? Wait. So, si Mayaya have may pa card. May pa card si Mayaya, guys. Thank you for choosing Mayaya as our product. Are cheaped internationally like that. Blah, 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 blah. And then this one is instruction. And let's gonna try this. So, i-try natin, guys. Go. Okay, guys. Let's try. So, ano na siya? Tama ba niya kung mga gibuhat? Mali meron amerisin. Wait. Uy, nag-curl na siya dayon. Wait. Oh, diba? Ang cute. So, ano na din siya? I'm sorry. Di pa kay ko kabalo. Pero nag-curl siya, guys. O, diba? Nag-curl siya. Ka-nice ba? So, good. Nag-curl siya. Again. Di pa kay ko kabalo. Pasensya na. But, gonna find out, guys. Ang gusto na ako siya i-test, diba? Sabi mo, di pa kayo kabalo, guys. I'm sorry. So, na ano na nato siya, guys. I-off na to. And let's try the brush. This one. Pumastraight atong buhok, okay? So, ayan guys. Gamito na to siya. Gagamitin natin siya ganyan guys. Let's see. Ko bago ba? Pero bago ba sa buhok ko? So, ano lang siya guys. Diba, makapal lang. Mas straight lang atong buhok. So, I know now guys kung ano yung kaibahan ng dalawa. 'Di ba sabi ko pareho sila? Oh. So, yun ang kalabasan niya guys. And then, lots of like this lang. I think I like this too. So, now guys, I know what is the differences for both of this. Kanisha is for small curler. And this one is a big curler. Like, if you want a small curl kind, you're gonna use this. You're gonna use this. And then, if you wanna use some, like a bigger curl, use the other one. And this one is for straightening. Yeah, pero mas okay paghapon ang plancha for me. I don't know, kay mo flat jud siya. Or wala lang jud siya kay siya nainit. I don't know. But overall, I like this guys. So, I'm happy to my purchase. Purchase ni guys ha, dili ni siya sponsored. Purchase ni siya guys, hindi siya sponsored. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And buy this now, guys. It's so nice.